Hey guys, this year I decided to challenge myself by creating a YouTube series that I'm going to call The Wizard Study. Every week I'm going to release a video with an object being created for the study and then placed into the study at the end of the video. These videos will be approximately 30 minutes long and will premiere on Thursdays at 5 p.m. Eastern. After such videos are being premiered, a longer length video will be released into YouTube so you can enjoy more detailed information about what just occurred during the premiere. The image you see on the screen right now was the image I created for a CG Boost contest called the Magic Book. This is the quality and the style that I'm aiming to achieve in this series. Until next time, stay creative.